Yes, children. Now, shall we learn the grammar part? Yes. All are ready? Yes, children. Now, here, complete the sentences with is, are. You know? You don't know? Is means? You don't know. Are means? You don't know. Okay. I will explain. Here, I am drawing. What is this? Yes, tree. Yes. First one. Only one tree or many trees? Yes, only one tree. So, what we will say? This is a tree. A means only one. A means only one. A means only one. A. So, here I am writing THIS. This is a tree. Is. Why? Only one tree, no? Only one tree. That's why we have to use is. When we will use is? When there is only one thing. There is only one thing. A means only one. Keep in mind. A means only one. So, there is only one thing. We have to use is. Okay. Now, here one more I am drawing. What is here? Box. Yes. How many boxes are there? Many boxes are there. How many? Yes, only one. So what I have to write? Yes. This is a box. This is a box. A. This is A. A means only one. That's why we have to use is. That's why we have to use is. Understood? Only one thing. Only one thing. Then we have to use is word. This is a box. Only one box? No. Many are there? No, only one. Yes. Next. One more. One more I am drawing. Yes. What is here? Flower. What is here? Flower. How many flowers are there here? So many? No, only one. What I have to say? Only one means? Yes. What we have to use? Is or are? Is. Yes. I am writing. This is a flower. Capital W-E-R. Now, here A means only one. A means only one flower. So many? No, only one flower. So, A means only one. Whenever only one thing, we have to use is. Okay? Understood? Be careful and listen properly. Then you will get easily. Yes. Now here, what is here? Yes, I draw tap. How many taps are there here? So many. I draw so many taps. No, only one tap. So what I have to write? Very good. THIS. This is a tap. This is a tap. Only one tap. Only one tap. A means only one. A means only one tap. Okay, children? That's why we have to write is. We have to use is. Understood? Whenever one thing, only one, we have to use is word. Okay. Now, this is a tree. Only one tree, no? That's why we have to write is. Understood? Now one more. What is here? Cup. What is here? Cup. How many cups are there? Yes, only one cup. Only one cup. So what is, come on, say now sentence. Yes, this is a cup. Why we are using is? So only one. Only one thing we have to use is word. Okay. Now shall I write sentence? This is a cup. Understood? This is a cup. Only one cup. Only one cup. That's why I am using is. Now understand? Yes. This is a cup. Only one. So see all. Only one thing. Only one pictures. Only one. This is a tree. A means only one. That's why I am using is. Here this is a box. A means only one box. This is a box. Only one box. That's why I used is. This is a flower. Only one flower. That's why I used is. Understood? Now this is a tap. How many taps? Only one tap. Only one tap. Keep in mind, only one thing, then we have to use is. Okay. This is a cup. Only one cup. Many cups are there? No, only one cup. That's why we have to use is. Understood, children? Yes. Now, shall I explain R? Shall I explain R? Yes. Now, I will draw some more examples. I will explain some more examples. Then you will get R also. Yes. Here, same pictures I will draw. Then you will get easily understand. See. See. So many trees are there now here. So many trees are there now. Yes. So, now we have to write this is a tree. No. We have to write, we have to choose one more. What is that? R. R. Yes. What is the spelling R? A-R-E-R. Yes. Here, so many trees are there, no? 1, 2, 3. More than two. More than two. Many. Only one means we have to use is. Many means we have to use very good. Are. There are. See, I am writing T-H-E-R-E. There are. There are. Yes. Trees. There are trees. There are trees. See here. So many trees are there, no? So many trees are there, no? Yes. There are trees. Means many trees. Many trees. That's why we have to use are. There are. What is the difference between is and are? Is means only one. Are means many. Is means only one. Are means many. More than two. More than two. Yes. I am drawing here box. One box. One more box. And one more box. One more box. How many boxes? So many. the box is correct? No, so many boxes are there. So many boxes. We have to use is or are. Yes, children, are. Are. There are boxes. There are boxes. T-H-E-R-E. There are spelling. A-R-E. Are. Boxes. Boxes. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are many. More than 2. So we have to use are. Okay, children? Yes. Now here, see, flower. So many flowers. Yes. Yes. Now see here. How many flowers? Only one. If one means this is a flower. Here so many flowers. So what I have to use? Is or are? Yes, are. There are flowers. There are flowers. There are flowers. Correct? Yes. Now here, next one. Yes. Tap. Before, what I said, I drawed only one tap. I said this is a tap because only one tap. Here more than two. More than two taps. So what I have to write? This is a tap or there are taps. Are I have to use or is? Yes, are. There are. T-H-E-R-E. There are taps. Many are there? No, plural. Not tap. Many are there. That's why I am writing yes. Okay, taps. There are taps. I am using are because many. Now here one more picture. Yes. Many cups. Only one cup? No. Many cups. So what I have to write? There is a cup or there are cups? Yes, there are cups. There are cups. There are cups. Many cups are there, no? So did you understand, children? What is the difference between is and are? Is and are? Is means only one. Are means many. So whenever the thing is only one, we have to use is. Whenever things are many, more than two, so we have to use are. The same thing in your book they give. Here, there is a sofa. Is a sofa. Only one sofa or many sofas? Yes, only one. That's why there is a sofa. Here, there are two armchairs. How many chairs? Two. So, there are two armchairs. There are. So, more than two are two. You have to use are. Here, there is a table. Only one table, no? So, that's why A means only one, I said. That's why we have to use is. There is a table. There is a lamp on the table. There is a lamp. There is a lamp. Only one lamp on the table. Only one lamp. So that's why they used only is. So there is a carpet on the floor. Floor. How many carpets are there? How many? Only one, no. That's why they used only is. There is a bookcase, bookshelf, cupboard, book cupboard. How many cupboards are there here? Bookshelves? Only one. That's why there is a bookcase. Is we have to write. Yes. There dash books in the bookcase. So many books are there no here. So there are many books in the bookcase. There are 2 windows in the room. How many windows? 2 windows. So we have to write are. We have to write are. The same thing you complete it. Okay. Next, same thing. Same grammar, just like that. In my kitchen there is a oven. In the kitchen, oven is there, no? So, in my kitchen there is a. Is there, not are. When you will use is, only one thing. So, is a oven. Here. Next, in my kitchen there are. Here they gave are. Are means many. There are many spoons. We have to write many spoons. In the kitchen, spoons will be there, no? So, next. In my bedroom, there is. We have to think. Is means only one. A bed. A bed. Here, in my bedroom, there are. In my bedroom, there are many toys. Okay. Yes. Next, in my drawing room, there are many crayons. Not is. Is not there. Are many crayons. In my drawing room, there are many color pencils. So, what you understand, children? Is means only one. Are means many. Is means only one. Are means many. Next, A means only one. Keep in mind. Yes. Next bit. What is here? Some words they given here. Table, chair, bookcase, lamp, carpet, door. What is here? Lamp. Here, chair. Here, table. You have to choose the correct word and see the picture. Then you have to write. Here, door. Here, bookcase, bookshelf. Here, carpet. So you choose the word correctly and write opposite blank. Correct? Opposite picture. Okay? Yes. Shall we go next bit? Yes, children. Here, pronunciation means we have to see the language skills. Here, I will pronounce CH and SH. Okay, children? Yes. SH, SH, CH. Here they give a wash. A wash. See the pronunciation. Children, see the pronunciation. A wash. Yes, H. SH. Wash. Sound is there, no? So where I have to write? Yes, here. A wash. Yes. Next one. Watch. Watch. Sh sound is different. Ch sound is different. CH sound is different. You pronounce sound. Yes. Wash. Now here. Next one. Watch. CH. What they give? Watch. We have to write here watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Sh sound is different. Sh sound is different. Next one. Cash. C-A-S-H. See the sound. Shh. Cash. Shh. Sound. We have to write here. C-A-S-H. Shh. Sound. Next one. Catch. C-A-T-C-H. What is here? Catch. Sound. Sound is different. Sound is different. So here C-A-T-C-H. Here sound is different. Yes. Now ship. Ship. Where are to write? Here or here? First column or second? Yes. Ship. Sound is there, no? Yes. Here, ship. Yes. So, next one. Chip. C-H-I-P. Chip. Chip. Yes. So, here or here? Yes. C-H-I-P. Chip. Yes. Next. Wish. W-I-S-H. Wish. Sound. Here I have to write out here. Sound. Yes. W-I-S-H. Sound. Next. Which. W-I-T-C-H. Which. Yes. W-I-T-C-H. In this sound. You have to pronounce and write. Sh column is different and sh. Whenever you will use that word, you will get sound, no, different sound. Then you have to divide like this. Okay, children? Yes. Shall we go next bit? Yes. Now here, match the following. Where it will be, where it lives, the mouse, in a hole or nest or house. Yes, mouse is in the hole. You match it. Mouse is in the hole. You have to match it. The bird. You know well. Where? House, hole, nest. Yes. The bird, a nest. The kitten. Yes. House. I showed no pictures. Yes. Kitten in the basket. Yes. The writer means man. Poem man. Man. Where he will be? In a nest? No. In a hole? No. In the basket? No. In a house? Yes, children. You have to match. Like that. Yes. Now, shall we go worksheet? Yes. Here, I am giving grammar worksheet. You have to do this, then you send to me. I will correct it. Okay? Here. There dash a cup. There dash a cup. You have to use is or are. Just now I said no. Is or are. A-R-E-R. They dash a cup. How many cups? See clearly. Only one cup. What you have to write? Is or are? Think and write. Okay. There dash 3 trees. Here how many trees? 3 trees. So you have to write is or are, are. Yes. You think and write. Understand now? Yes. They dash a tap. Same. Only one tap I did. What you have to write? Is or? Choose it. They dash a box. How can you will write? Is or? Yes. Choose it. Next one. Match the following. Here match the following I gave. Monkey, lion, rabbit, dog. Den, burrow, kennel, tree. Monkey where it will live, lion where it will be, rabbit where it will be, dog house. You match it properly. Okay. Now, circle the correct word. Circle the correct word. There is or an umbrella in the basket. In the basket, there is or an umbrella in the basket. There is an umbrella. There are an umbrella in the basket. You think. Umbrella I give. Not many. There is or a pen on the table. Is or? There is or a pen on the table. A I gave. Yes, I said A means only one I said. There is or a book on the floor. Come on, think and write. Yes. There is or some birds on the tree. Some birds. Some birds means more than two. Yes. Now last bit. Draw any room and things. Any room. Kitchen room or bedroom or drawing room. Any room. Okay. You draw there in that room things also. For example, in the kitchen room, you draw the kitchen room, then you have to draw spoons, glass, plate, trays, like that. Okay? You draw it. Now, shall I read question answers once? Yes. What are there in a cupboard? There are lots of pots and pans in the cupboard. Okay, children? Just these all questions you learn. Don't send to me, but learn and practice. Spellings and all. Okay. How many sofas are there in the drawing room? There is only one sofa. There is only one sofa in the drawing room. Next one. Whose half bedroom is tidy? Amina's half bedroom is tidy. What are there all over the floor? There are things all over the floor. These all 4 questions. Easy, no? Only one word you have to use. That's it. These all question answers you learn and practice. Okay, children? But these all questions no need to send in worksheet. Okay, you learn. Okay, children? I'll give voice message also. These all questions, how to pronounce and how to read. Then you follow it. Okay? Okay, children. Did you understand? Bye.